Your smile is one of the most intuitive indicators of your oral health. Black gums indicate that your health is compromised, and sadly, they are far too common among the general population. Whether the source of your dark spots is as benign as abnormal melanin production, or as severe as periodontal disease, the universal consensus is that they ruin your smile. Luckily, we have 5 potent natural remedies to get rid of black gums naturally. These remedies can significantly improve the color of your gums, taking them from dark and decrepit to pink and healthy. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus has been regarded as a miracle cure for a myriad of ailments, thanks to its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. A small drop of this concentrated oil is all that is needed to remove grime from your teeth, kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, and soothe any inflammation along your gum line. Once those problems are taken care of, your mouth will be in a proper environment for healing the black spots on your gums all on its own. Antibacterial properties of eucalyptus oil will go a long way towards speeding this process up as well. Sage leaves. Sage leaves can be applied to your gums in numerous, all of which achieve the same outcome: healthy, pink gums. Working as a tonic for your gums, sage leaves can be applied directly to the teeth and gums, prepared as a tea, or even juiced to release their beneficial effects. Drink green tea. Green tea is widely known for its numerous health restorative properties, and your gums are not exempt from its health improving properties. The secret to green tea's powerful healing properties lies in its high concentration of health promoting antioxidants. These natural chemicals are capable of fighting innumerable types of harmful bacteria, including the ones that may be turning your gums black. Drinking green tea to improve your gums, you'll be improving many other aspects of your health at the same time. Clove. As a plant with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties, clove is a triple threat when it comes to oral health. By stimulating repair and regrowth of damaged gum tissue, it can quickly whittle away any dark spots and leave behind beautiful, pink gums. Clove treatments are most effective when the leaf is massaged directly on the gums. Sesame oil. Through its toxin-removing properties, sesame oil can actually fight the buildup of plaque and tartar and loosen what is already present for easier removal. Reducing plaque and tartar typically restores healthy color to your mouth very quickly. For best results, swish with a small amount of the oil daily. For added benefit, make the oil lukewarm, to better absorb toxins.